Did you know that nearly 40% of pet owners miss the early signs that their dog may be nearing the end of its life? It's heartbreaking, but being aware of certain critical signs can help you make your dog's final days as comfortable and loving as possible. In today's video, we're going over the 15 signs that might mean your dog is dying. Whether you're a seasoned dog parent or new to pet care, understanding these signs can help you recognize when it's time to give them the care and support they need. Let's be prepared. Sign number 1, labored breathing. It is one of the most concerning signs that your dog might be nearing the end of its life. This can manifest in several ways, such as rapid shallow breaths, excessive panting even when at rest, or struggling to catch their breath. Just like humans, dogs can experience respiratory issues for a variety of reasons, from infections to heart problems. When a dog's body is struggling, it tries to compensate by taking in more oxygen, resulting in labored breathing. You might also notice your dog's gums turning pale or bluish, indicating a lack of oxygen. If you notice your dog exhibiting labored breathing, it's crucial to remain calm and contact your veterinarian immediately. It could be a sign of a serious medical condition that requires immediate attention. Remember, early detection and intervention are crucial in providing the best possible care for your furry companion, even in their final days. Number 2, loss of appetite. Dogs are natural scavengers and most love their food. So, a significant decrease in appetite or a complete disinterest in eating is a major red flag. When a dog is nearing the end of its life, its body systems slow down, including their digestive system. This can lead to nausea, discomfort, and a general lack of interest in food. You might notice your dog refusing treats they once loved, ignoring their food bowl, or even turning their head away when offered something tasty. If your dog is experiencing a loss of appetite, try offering them bland, easily digestible foods like boiled chicken and rice. You can also try warming up their food slightly to make it more appealing. However, it's important to consult with your vet to rule out any underlying medical conditions that might be contributing to their lack of appetite. Number 2, urinary incontinence. As dogs age, their bodies change just like humans. One change is urinary incontinence, a loss of bladder control. It can signal aging or something more serious. It might be a urinary tract infection, easily treatable. Or it could indicate kidney disease, hormonal imbalances, or cancer. If your dog has bladder issues, visit the vet to rule out serious problems. Early detection helps your dog live a longer, healthier life. Number 4, lethargy. We all know dogs love to play, they love to go for walks, and they love to be active. It's in their nature. So, when your normally energetic companion suddenly becomes lethargic and sleeps more than usual, it's a big red flag. Lethargy is a general term for extreme tiredness, lack of energy, and a decrease in their usual zest for life. It's like their inner battery is constantly drained. You might notice they're reluctant to go for walks, they don't greet you at the door with their usual enthusiasm, or they just seem withdrawn and uninterested in their favorite activities. Now, lethargy itself isn't a disease, but it's a symptom of many different underlying health problems. It could be something as simple as a mild infection, or it could be a sign of something more serious like heart disease, kidney disease, or even cancer. If you notice a sudden and dramatic change in your dog's energy levels, don't ignore it. Number 5, decreased mobility. Just like humans, as dogs age, they can experience stiffness and discomfort in their joints. It's a natural part of getting older. But when you see a significant decrease in your dog's mobility, it's time to pay attention. If your dog struggles to get up, climb stairs, jump onto furniture, or even walk with their usual ease, it could be a sign of painful conditions like arthritis, hip dysplasia, or other joint problems. Now, these conditions can cause significant pain and discomfort for your furry friend, and they might show it by limping, whining, or avoiding activities they once enjoyed. Remember, dogs are masters at hiding their pain, so even subtle changes in their movement can indicate a serious problem. So, if you notice any changes in your dog's mobility, don't hesitate to consult your veterinarian. They can assess your dog's condition, provide pain management options, and recommend therapies to improve your dog's quality of life. Number 6, weight loss. Much like in humans, can be a sign that something is wrong. You know your pack, you know their routine, you know their bodies. If you notice your dog losing weight, especially if they aren't on a new diet or exercise plan, it's time to look deeper. Just like a car needs oil, a dog needs food for energy. Weight loss can be a sign of many things, from dental problems, making it hard to eat, to more serious internal issues. Don't dismiss it as just getting older. If you see the pounds dropping, trust your instincts. Number 7. Twitching. Dogs, like all of us, can get the occasional twitch. Maybe they're dreaming about chasing squirrels. It's normal. However, if you see your dog twitching excessively or having full-blown muscle spasms, this is not something to ignore. These involuntary movements can be a sign of a neurological problem. Just like a glitch in a computer program, these twitches are a sign that something might be off in their nervous system. Now, I'm not saying every twitch means a trip to the vet. If it's occasional and your dog seems otherwise fine, it's probably nothing. But if you're seeing frequent, unexplained twitching or spasms, especially if accompanied by other symptoms, it's crucial to consult your vet. Number 8, depression. Dogs might not speak our language, but they communicate through their energy. A happy, balanced dog is engaged with the world. They're interested in walks, playtime, and spending time with their pack. When a dog is depressed, their energy becomes low. They might seem withdrawn, uninterested in their favorite activities, or even hide away. It's like their inner light dims a little. Depression in dogs can be caused by many things, from a change in routine to an underlying medical condition. Just like humans, dogs thrive on routine and stability. If you notice a sudden or gradual shift in your dog's mood, don't just chalk it up to a bad day. It's essential to pay attention to these changes. Number 9, diarrhea. Just like with us, diarrhea in dogs is usually nothing to panic about. Maybe they ate something that didn't agree with them, or maybe they've got a little bug. But when it becomes persistent, well, that's when you know it's time to pay attention. Persistent diarrhea can be a sign of something more serious brewing beneath the surface. It could be pointing to problems with their digestion, like inflammatory bowel disease or even parasites. Now, we don't want to jump to conclusions, but we also can't afford to ignore it. You see, when a dog has persistent diarrhea, their body is trying to tell you something's not right. It's like a cry for help. And just like you wouldn't ignore a pack member in distress, you can't ignore this. Keep a close eye on the consistency, the frequency, and if there's any blood in the stool. Trust your instincts, and if you feel like something's off. Number 10, lack of interest. Dogs are naturally curious and playful creatures, always eager to explore the world with their noses and wagging tails. They find joy in the simplest things, a walk in the park, a game of fetch, even just being close to their humans. However, when a dog starts losing interest in the activities they once loved, it's a major red flag. It's like their inner light begins to dim, and that spark of joy fades away. This lack of interest, this apathy, can be a heartbreaking sign that something is deeply wrong. It's as if their body is telling them to conserve energy, to withdraw from the world. This could be due to pain, discomfort, nausea, or a whole host of other underlying health issues that need immediate attention. Remember, dogs can't tell us when they're hurting, so we need to be vigilant and pay attention to these subtle shifts in their behavior. If you notice your furry friend withdrawing from their favorite activities and showing a general lack of enthusiasm. Number 11, difficulty in eating. Food is a huge motivator for most dogs. They love to eat, and mealtime is often the highlight of their day. So when a dog struggles to chew or swallow, it's a clear indication something is amiss. It could be a dental problem, a sore tooth, or gum inflammation, or it could be something more serious like a tumor. If you notice your dog wincing in pain while chewing, seek veterinary attention. Number 12, dull eyes. A dog's eyes speak volumes. They're full of life, full of energy. But when a dog is nearing the end of its journey, those eyes, they start to lose their sparkle. Dull, cloudy eyes, it's like a light going out. It can be a sign of illness, of the body shutting down. Just like with humans, aging takes its toll on our furry friends. It's important to remember, though, that dull eyes alone don't tell the whole story. It's about looking at the bigger picture, all the signs together. If you notice your dog's eyes losing their shine. Number 13, more bad days than good. Life is full of ups and downs, right? Dogs, they have good days and bad days, just like us. But when you start to see more bad days than good, it's a sign that something deeper is going on. It's like a downward slope. Maybe your dog used to jump for joy at the sight of their leash, and now they just lie there. Or maybe they were once playful and energetic, and now they're withdrawn and quiet. These changes in behavior, they're telling you something. They're telling you that your dog is struggling. It's heartbreaking to witness. I know, but remember, you're not alone. Talk to your vet. Number 14, seizure. Those sudden bursts of uncontrolled electrical activity in the brain are another sign that your dog might be nearing the end of their life. It's unsettling to witness, almost like their body is betraying them. Just like with humans, seizures in dogs can have various causes, and not all of them are necessarily life-threatening. However, if your dog is experiencing seizures, especially if they're frequent or severe, it's crucial to take them to the veterinarian immediately. Remember, early detection and treatment can make a world of difference in managing the underlying cause and improving your dog's quality of life, even in their final days. Number 15, poor grooming. Dogs are naturally inclined to keep themselves clean. It's in their instinct. So, when a dog stops grooming themselves, it's a sign that something is wrong. Poor grooming can manifest in various ways, from matted fur and a noticeable odor to excessively dirty paws and a lack of interest in cleaning themselves. It's like they've lost that spark of energy to maintain their appearance. This lack of self-care can stem from several factors, including pain, dental problems, arthritis, or simply a lack of energy due to underlying health issues. They might be in discomfort, and grooming might be too painful. Remember to observe your dog's grooming habits. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you recognize the critical signs that your dog may be nearing the end of its life. Remember, it's important to consult with your veterinarian if you notice any of these signs. Your pet's comfort and well-being should always come first. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.